Are you a busy salon owner with so much to do and no time to do it? I'm going to let you in on a little secret that's going to help you in your beauty business so that you can have more time doing the things that you like to do, and it's not going to cost you a penny. You might not like what I'm going to tell you to do, but if you do it, it's going to be really, really positive for your beauty business. You're going to start making more money and you're going to enjoy your workday. But you have to go through a little bit of pain first. You need to hire an assistant. And fortunately for you, TY has gone back and they're all looking for work experience, and all these kids are looking for salons to give them work experience. And if you give them work experience, they can do the jobs that you hate doing and you don't have to pay them. It's going to be a win-win. They're going to learn skills that they know that they need to do, even though they might not like doing them, in order to be able to go off into the world of beauty and get jobs that they want to do after school or after college. And then they're going to free up time for you to be able to do the things that you want to do. So when they come knocking on your door saying, have you got any work experience? Say yes. And here's what you need to do. You need to make a list of all the tasks that you hate doing that's easy enough for a 16-year-old to do. Then you're going to create the systems and how they can do them and hand them over to them so that they understand how to do it really simply, really easy when they start. If you need help, reach out to me. I'm Sarah Naylor. I'm going to help you nail it in your beauty business.